Now, we constantly bang the drum about value here on these videos that we do because we are trying to sell a vehicle to you when we present them like in this manner. Just bought this, and this is value for money. It's the Range Rover Sport Dynamic HSE Dynamic Black Edition, so it's fully black on a 71, 23,000 miles. The newer engine as well, the D300 Land Rover engine that they put in these cars around this time. It's still got Land Rover warranty until September 2024. It's outstanding to look at from the exterior, and it's brilliant value for money. Now, this car is as good as it gets for one of these cars like for like, which means it's got the 22-inch wheels, sliding roof, refrigerator, heated seats, heated steering wheel. The exceptional exterior look that you'll see from this front end with the badging, the grille, everything is black on the car. It is like a black edition style spec, but it's a dynamic, so slightly different styling to the bumper, the upgraded dynamic light, obviously the 22-inch autobiography style wheels, but everything is black. The insert into the wing, the bonnet, it's got steps, and it's got a full black interior, Napa leather, Meridian sound, memory seats, heated steering wheel, sliding roof, refrigerator. I'll go through the interior options shortly. You obviously got Meridian sound and memory seats as well, but it's a four-wheel drive with air suspension that's 300 brake horsepower, 3-litre diesel, and it's fantastic value. Heated rear seats, the sliding roof, black headlining. This is a great car if you're looking for a four-wheel drive. When we look at finance options on these cars, on PCP especially, they fund very, very well. So you've got your new model sport badging with the silver exterior, HSE badging, black Land Rover badging, boot finisher in black. Obviously, lots of practical space, air suspension switchable from the boot, assisted tailgate. Now, looking around the car as well, it's in an awesome condition. So there's no damage, no scratches on the car, no marks. Of course, we've got Land Rover warranty until September, like I said, so peace of mind there. But with 23,000 miles on, it's been looked after. So you're getting yourself a great car. It's fuel efficient, it's quick, it looks outstanding. And I think if you're driving around the road in this, it's certainly going to turn heads from the way it looks. But they do drive very, very well, these cars. Sold hundreds and hundreds of them. And then jumping in, so steps obviously help you get in. Once you're in, we've got a dynamic. So we've got the dynamic style steering wheel with the silver exterior. We've got heated steering wheel. We've got lane departure. We've got blind spot assist. We've got full switchable digital interface. We've then got something that I love in these cars. You might not ever use it, but it's got a refrigerator. Ideal in the summer. Also is this ideal in the summer, sliding roof, glass roof, which obviously opens. And then the practical things, I mentioned the air suspension, different drive modes. It is a dynamic, so we do have the dynamic drive mode as well. Reversing camera, obviously touchscreen infotainment, everything's very, very easy to use. Navigation, Bluetooth, media integration, Apple and Android CarPlay, everything's, you know, it's very, very simple, but it's a wonderful car. It's exceptional value for money. It's got everything you'd want from a four-wheel drive, from the options inside, heated seats, heated steering wheel, heated rear seats, to the stereo, the Meridian sound, the memory seat. This is a great car. It is on the website now. It won't be for long because these sports, we get them, we sell them straight away, so contact me. My number's on the screen.